Yeah, got the tiler to put down the Euro base and the hydro band and fill the gap between the floor. There was a crack there, so basically sealing all around the actual shower tray and making sure everything is watertight. Hello everyone, the tiler's drilling the framework through the tiles to make sure it's all secure, ready for the sliding doors to go on and making sure everything is watertight. So I hope you like, share and subscribe. All clear silicone, done the shoulder mould. And he's making sure he's wiping it with his finger to make sure it's sticking and it's well sealed. And we're working with an old. Hello everyone. As you can see right here, we're sealing around the shower tray, making sure everything is watertight. Even down the corners of the tiles, we're making sure that everything is nice and sealed. Always put the right mastics in the corners of the walls, around the shower tray, around the face basin, and even around the bath if you've got a bath in the room. So the mastic stops all the water seeping through. Make sure that how you do the mastic properly and make sure everything is watertight. Whole shower, doors open, doors shut. Change the shower hose and the cable. We sealed the gap. As I said to you, we put the grout there first. So all of this is being grouted. Once it was grouted, we put silicone, white silicone on the outsides and on the insides to make sure that it's all done.